So we're going to weld up this little crisscross bracket that gives us 4 potential zones to weld any of our welds in. Let's build that. The scrap metal I'm going to need, and I need 4 of my little plates. I'm going to begin by just tack welding one piece at a right angle. I'm going to center that piece in that little spot there. So I'm going to hold it, give a small tack weld on one end. Let's give that a try. That one's tacked in. The other one now, the hard part is it's got to balance, and it's not going to bounce. So a scrap metal piece, I'm going to tack this to this plate so it won't tip over on me. A small light tack, just so it sticks. Now I'm going to attach a last piece on. Again, small tack welds. I'm going to snap this whole piece loose. Now I have my bracket ready to go for my fillet welds.